This compact macro lens captures what your eyes can see. Nikon NIKKOR Z MC 50mm.
Ever felt like your photography is missing something? Like you're seeing the world through a fog? Unable to capture those tiny, breathtaking details that make images truly stand out? You're not alone. Thousands of photographers struggle with lenses that can't get close enough, that blur when you need razor-sharp clarity. Drop a comment if you've ever missed the perfect shot because your gear just wouldn't cooperate. The frustration builds when deadlines loom and your equipment lets you down. Blurry product shots, missed details in food photography, portraits that lack that professional punch. You've tried different lenses, spent countless hours researching, but nothing quite delivers what you need. Imagine if there was a way to take complete control, to capture life-size details without adding expensive, bulky equipment to your already heavy camera bag. The Nikon NIKKOR Z MC 50mm f2.8 compact macro lens changes everything. This isn't just another macro lens, it's a breakthrough in optical engineering that delivers true one-to-one life-size magnification in a package that weighs just 260 grams. The 50mm focal length paired with f2.8 aperture creates stunning bokeh that isolates your subject against beautifully blurred backgrounds, while the advanced ED and aspherical elements eliminate chromatic aberration for crystal clear results. The fluorine coating repels water and fingerprints, keeping your shots pristine even in challenging conditions. Here's one way this lens saved the day for a busy product photographer. She captured intricate jewelry details that her previous macro lens simply couldn't resolve, winning her a major client contract. The dual-stepping motor autofocus is whisper quiet and lightning fast, making it perfect for both stills and video work. Keep reading for a bonus tip about using the focus limiter switch that'll transform your workflow.
Professional photographers and industry experts can't stop talking about the exceptional performance of the NIKKOR Z MC 50mm f2.8 macro lens. Bench tests reveal outstanding optical performance, with center resolution measuring 3,800 LW per pH and corners not far behind at 3,400 LW per pH. This lens is a triumph of optical design in a small package, states one professional photography publication, noting that sharpness is exceptional, even wide open at f2.8. Food photography influencers rave about capturing incredible detail, individual salt crystals, bread crust textures, condensation on cold drinks, with weather sealing that provides peace of mind during outdoor shoots. Product photographers highlight the one-to-one magnification capability for capturing fabric weaves and jewelry engravings with outstanding clarity across the entire frame. The 9-blade rounded diaphragm creates near-circular openings, contributing to smooth, pleasing bokeh without harsh edges or onion ring effects. Macro photography specialists confirm that the minimal focus breathing makes this lens excellent for focus stacking workflows, while the electronic focus ring provides precise manual control. The electromagnetic diaphragm ensures seamless exposure adjustments during continuous shooting. Which feature would save your day? Comment below and let us know what you'd photograph first with this lens. Limited stock available. Join thousands of photographers who've already transformed their workflow with the Nikon NIKKOR Z MC 50mm f2.8 compact macro lens. Don't wait. Secure yours today and experience the difference professional-grade macro photography makes. This bundle includes everything you need: UV lens filter, professional cleaning kit, and lens cap keeper for complete protection. Click now and unlock the secret of the focus limiter switch that makes close-up work effortless. Every moment you delay is another missed opportunity to capture those breathtaking details that separate amateur shots from professional masterpieces.